Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. The annual cycle of media-intensive major industry auto shows is done, for now. It resumes in Paris in October. Now our focus shifts to the real enthusiast car show season, summer. So Volkswagen is taking its latest concepts on tour, starting this weekend at SOWO, the European Experience, held on Hutchinson Island in Savannah, Georgia. The automaker is bringing 5 concept vehicles inspired by the diverse design tastes of Volkswagen enthusiasts. Those 5 are specially modified versions of the Golf R, the Jetta, the Tiguan, the Arteon, and the Atlas. Let's start with the Jetta SoCal concept, since the recently redesigned Jetta will be arriving in dealerships this month. The SoCal starts with a Jetta in R-Line trim and adds a variety of accents, notably Mark II Jetta-inspired black side graphics that stretch from the rear quarter panel through the doors. Yellow accents on off-white 1552 Formula GT 19 by 8.5-inch wheels match bright yellow mirror caps and fluorescent yellow lines on the gloss black roof. KW Automotive gave the car its stance by lowering the body 3 inches with prototype STXDA coilovers. The Golf R Abstract concept brings a familiar name into the mix with ABT Sports line. The well-known aftermarket manufacturer added side skirts, a stainless steel exhaust with matte black chrome 4-inch tips, and Mystic black 20-inch FR design wheels. H&R Spring Sport Spring System drops the car an inch, and the camel wrap was inspired by the Wynwood Art District in Miami, home to ABT's North American headquarters. The Tiguan R-Line Aero concept employs another camo wrap. The crossover can be lowered by as much as 4.8 inches, thanks to a 3P air management system with Performance Series front and rear struts courtesy of VeriLift Performance, all while sitting on matte black powder-coated 20-inch monoblock CCV wheels. A Thule Motion XD Alpine roof courier and Thule roof rack finish off the look. The Arteon, an all-new Volkswagen model that will arrive at U.S. dealers later in the year, is the most blatantly yellow with an ultra-fluorescent trap that contrasts against the black roof. Similar to the other cars, the R-Line Arteon is lowered 3 inches on prototype H&R Springs coilovers and sits on Boston Hybrid forged HF 220 by 9.5-inch wheels. The Atlas is the only one of these concepts that does not incorporate yellow accents or paint anywhere, perhaps because it's not new, having made its debut at the 2017 SEMA Gathering. Done up with the help of Tanner Faust, the Atlas has been reworked with an overlanding theme, including extended fenders, lower body panel cladding, off-road wheels with chunky tires, light bars, and a roof rack. The Savannah event is just the first of 7 planned appearances for these concepts. The others include Euro Hangar in Holland, Michigan, Waterfest in Atco, New Jersey, Wolfsgard in Burlington, Vermont, Bagfair in York, Pennsylvania, SoCal Big Euro in San Diego, California, and Pacific Waterland in Woodburn, Oregon. Let the summer show season begin. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.